Hey everyone, this is Carla, and I know it's late, but I had to do this live stream because I always come on and I usually do things that are related to letting you know what has happened the past week. So even though tomorrow is Independence Day, a holiday, a lot has been happening, a lot of positive things. So if you've been watching my videos, you would know that I am going through workforce development and I have an assigned person who's helping me network and land positions. So this week I learned something very important. Well, I got it clarified. I'm very happy that I learned the difference. So if you're in Cuyahoga County, which is Cleveland, Ohio, I learned the difference between an employment specialist, a recruiter, and a talent developer or executive recruiter because I was confused because I thought when I first got started, okay, I'm eligible to receive the training, but who are these other people? So the employment specialist is like the labor caseworker or the training specialist. They make sure you get in the system, you upload your resume, just all the basic things. The recruiter is the person who also doubles a little bit as the business development specialist. So they go out in the field and they network with businesses and they see what type of opportunities or jobs are available. They're the ones who create the job orders, and the job orders are what they bring back into the county, and those are the job positions that they put in the system. So now I have another person, which is the talent developer or the executive recruiter. And what was confusing to me is that um, when I spoke with him last week, he said that the employment specialist had a caseload of 125 people, but he only had one of 10 to 15. So I didn't know how to approach it because I didn't know should I reveal this information to the employment specialist or not. Oh my goodness. But what I did do was um, let him know what he already knew. And he said, because I was a high skilled individual, that I got the talent developer. So normally, if you were to go through the system, you would get two. So you would get assigned a employment specialist and then a recruiter. Well, minimum, because I know some other recruiters, so I have more than just one recruiter working on my behalf. But because I was a high skilled person, because of my project management professional certification, I got three people, which is great because my goal has always been networking and expanding. Furthermore, I learned from the talent developer that whenever a big company comes in to not just Cuyahoga County, but anywhere, the county works on hiring and employing the new rollout. So if you're in Cleveland, you know that Cleveland has the North Randall, Euclid, and Ohio City locations. Twinsburg is in Summit County. No, Twinsburg, I believe, is in Portage County, but it's not in Cuyahoga. But they were responsible for hiring the first 3,000 people that worked at Amazon. So now I knew that if I wanted to do anything regarding Amazon Web Services, like the computer and the cloud programming, because I do cybersecurity, that I would go through them. And that was something that I didn't know, but I was very happy that my employment specialist was the one to clarify all that because I didn't know what the different moving parts were. But just the fact that I have three people instead of two people, that's just great. And it magnifies the importance of why skill set is important and why the more you bring to the table, the more help you're going to get. And the final thing is, I really didn't think that I saw the whole talent developer thing before. But when I was in DC, they had this particular department that they later terminated and they just rolled on into one, and I was in the same thing. But I didn't know about the talent developer because when you first get in there, it's just determination to see if you're eligible. Now it's completely different. So now I have three people working on my behalf. So that's this week's adventures in workforce development. I'm going to do another live about training, what's happening, and like certain things you should look out for if you do decide to go and ask for training. Uh, because I just want to do these videos so that I can help people along with the journey. So I'll talk to you later.